How to find a free gym trial near you. Most gyms offer free trials or guest passes to allow potential members to explore their facilities. Here's how to locate and take advantage of a free gym trial near you. Step 1. Search for gyms near you. Use online tools like Google Maps or Yelp to search gyms near me or free gym trial near me. Explore the websites of popular gyms in your area, such as Planet Fitness, Crunch Fitness, 24-Hour Fitness, Anytime Fitness, LA Fitness, Gold's Gym. Step 2. Check for free trials. Visit the gym's website and look for options like free trial, guest pass, try us for free. Many gyms offer 1-day, 3-day, or 7-day free trials for first-time visitors. Step 3. Contact the gym. Call or email the gym to confirm free trial availability and terms. Ask about what the free trial includes, e.g., classes, equipment, pool access, any restrictions, or blackout times. Step 4. Sign up for a free trial. Complete the online or in-person registration form for the trial. Provide basic information like name, email address, phone number. Some gyms may require a valid ID to activate the trial. Step 5. Prepare for your visit. Bring workout clothes and shoes, a water bottle and towel, your ID, and free trial confirmation. Arrive a little early to get a tour of the facility and learn about equipment or classes. Step 6. Decide on membership. Use the trial period to explore the gym's environment and cleanliness, availability of equipment during your preferred workout times, quality and variety of classes or personal training options. If you enjoy the experience, inquire about membership options. By following these steps, you can find and enjoy a free gym trial near you to determine if it meets your fitness needs.